Imagine waking up to a personalized morning briefing, tailored just for you, without lifting a finger. That's exactly what OpenAI is promising, with its latest innovation, ChatGPT Pulse, a feature designed to revolutionize how you start your day. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this the future of convenience, or a step too far into automation? Let's dive in. OpenAI has introduced ChatGPT Pulse, a groundbreaking addition to its ChatGPT platform, which generates customized morning briefs for users while they sleep. These briefs, ranging from 5 to 10, are crafted to bring users up to speed on their day, encouraging them to make ChatGPT their first stop in the morning, much like checking social media or a news app. And this is the part most people miss. Pulse isn't just about delivering information. It's part of a larger strategy to transform ChatGPT from a reactive chatbot into a proactive, assistant-like tool. This shift is evident in OpenAI's recent consumer product developments, such as ChatGPT Agent and Codex, which aim to provide asynchronous support rather than just answering questions. With Pulse, OpenAI is taking this a step further, aiming to anticipate users' needs before they even ask. As Fujisimo, OpenAI's new CEO of applications, puts it, "We're building AI that lets us take the level of support that only the wealthiest have been able to afford and make it available to everyone over time." Bold words. But can OpenAI truly democratize high-end assistance? Here's the catch. Pulse is initially available only to subscribers of ChatGPT's $200 a month Pro plan, starting Thursday. While OpenAI plans to roll it out to all users eventually, including Plus subscribers, the company first needs to optimize the feature's efficiency. This raises questions about accessibility and whether such advanced features will remain out of reach for the average user. Is this a fair trade-off for cutting-edge technology, or a barrier to inclusivity? Pulse's capabilities are impressive. It can generate news roundups on specific topics, like updates on your favorite sports team, or create highly personalized briefs based on your context. For instance, in a demo for TechCrunch, OpenAI product lead Adam Fry showcased Pulse generating a travel itinerary for a family trip to Sedona, Arizona, complete with toddler-friendly activities. Each report is presented as an interactive card with AI-generated images and text, allowing users to dive deeper or query ChatGPT for more details. One standout feature is Pulse's intentional design to avoid overloading users. After generating a few reports, it displays a message. "Great, that's it for today." This contrasts sharply with social media apps, which are often designed to maximize engagement. But is this enough to prevent users from feeling overwhelmed by yet another digital tool? Pulse also integrates seamlessly with ChatGPT's connectors, allowing users to link apps like Google Calendar and Gmail. This enables Pulse to parse through emails overnight, highlight important messages, or generate agendas for upcoming events. If ChatGPT's memory features are enabled, Pulse can even incorporate context from previous chats to enhance its reports. For example, OpenAI's personalization lead, Christina Wadsworth-Kaplan, shared how Pulse used her love of running to create a London travel itinerary with running routes. However, Pulse's potential to disrupt existing news and productivity tools can't be ignored. Could it compete with Apple News, paid newsletters, or traditional journalism? While Fry believes Pulse won't replace these platforms, and it does cite sources like ChatGPT Search, the question remains, will Pulse complement or cannibalize existing services? Another critical aspect is Pulse's computational demands. Fry admits that the service's efficiency varies tremendously, depending on the task. While some reports are generated quickly, others may require extensive web searches and document synthesis. This raises concerns about sustainability and whether the computational power required justifies the feature's benefits. Is Pulse worth the energy it consumes? Looking ahead, OpenAI envisions Pulse becoming even more agentic, potentially making restaurant reservations or drafting emails on users' behalf. However, such features are likely years away and would require significant improvements in OpenAI's models to earn user trust. Would you trust an AI to make decisions on your behalf? As we ponder these questions, one thing is clear. ChatGPT Pulse is a bold step into the future of AI-driven productivity. But whether it's a game changer or a controversial experiment remains to be seen. What do you think? Is Pulse the assistant you've been waiting for, or a step too far into automation? Let us know in the comments. Maxwell Zeth is a senior reporter at TechCrunch, specializing in AI. With a background at Gizmodo, Bloomberg, and MSNBC, Maxwell has covered the rise of AI and the Silicon Valley bank crisis. Based in San Francisco, he's often found hiking, biking, or exploring the Bay Area's food scene when not reporting. Reach out to Maxwell at maxwell.zeth@techcrunch.com or via encrypted message at mzeth.88 on Signal.